Stream is used for making announcements to your class. For that, just click here, then you can share with your class whatever the information that you want to share. And let me type as welcome to OS class, and here goes the syllabus, right? So if I type this, and then I can add the syllabus copy. If the syllabus copy is in Google Drive, I can open my Google Drive and I can attach, or else even some link. If you want to attach some link, then you can give the link, and student can click on that and they can go to that link and find the syllabus copy. Or if the syllabus copy is within your computer, you can even click on this file, and here click on upload. You browse from your local computer and then upload the syllabus copy. So this copy will be saved in your Google Drive. And also you can add any YouTube video link or something of that sort which you seem fit to be, and then you can post now also immediately, or you can even schedule it for later date and time. For example, I want to schedule it tomorrow, means I can select the tomorrow date and then the time as well, right? So when at the time it will be posted rather than now. So, and there is a save as a draft. If you save as a draft, it will be saved in the draft folder, and later on when you think it is fit to be posted, then you can post that at the time from selecting this from the draft folder. For now I will post now only. So this is a post that students can see, and they can open this syllabus copy to look at the syllabus of operating system and system software class. This is about your stream. This is majorly used for any announcements that you want to make to the class. The next tab is classwork. Next to classwork is people tab. Let us first see this people tab, and later we can go back to classwork. Here you can add co-teacher or the other teacher who will be teaching the subject as well. You can just type their email ID and then you can invite them. Probably there is a teacher called as Ravi C. I can invite him to be the other class teacher. And you can add students yourself as well if you have their email ID. So let us say Prashant is an student and I'll be joining him to this class. I can select this, and similarly I can enter the email IDs of other students and just click on this invite. An invitation will be sent to their email ID. So those students has to log into their Gmail account and click on this link. Then they will be enrolled for your class. This is a demo account that I have created purposefully for this FDP. Let me log into the Prashant Gmail account. So student would get this kind of invitation. This is a class invitation for operating system class, section A. So if you want to join, you will click on this join button. He will sign in, he will join. Once he joins in, just click on continue. He will be landing onto my operating system homepage, wherein he can see whatever I have posted. Even he can comment. right? So this is how a student can join your class. If you see here, Prashant B got highlighted, right? So once he joins, those students will be getting highlighted like this. Otherwise, it will be grayed out like this. As I said earlier, even he can join the class using class code, or else once you send an invitation to the student to join the class, even through email, he can join your class. So now let us see how a student can join using the class code. To show you how a student can join using the class code, I have signed in another student named Pratibha in the Firefox browser. Once she or he types classroom.google.com, she will be landing in this page. Now she will be joining the class. She has to enter the class code. The teacher will be providing a class code. So this class code the student Pratibha will be entering. Enter this class code and click on join. She will be joined in this class. Also, she will also see the class details and whatever I have posted. She can see the other students' comments as well, and she can also give a comment. The same comment would be even seen by this other student called as Prashant, right? See, you can see. So as a teacher, I'd be able to see the comments of both of them. So this is how students can join your class. This is the People's tab is majorly for students to join and even adding teachers as well. Now let us see the classwork tab. Classwork tab is to give assignments, or even you can give questions as well for them to answer, and it helps you to organize even a classwork into modules or units. We'll see that in a minute. Even you can reorder the units and other things here in just by moving up and down. And you have a Google Calendar here. You have a class drive folder as well. If you click on this, whatever the class that you create, whatever you upload in the class, those documents will be actually stored in your Google Drive, right? So here in your Google Drive, you could see a classroom. Here previously I had created these other classrooms and I have now archived them, but now this is our class, right? Whatever you upload in this homework, other things will be uploaded here. So now let us create a topic. So topic would be the first module or first unit of your syllabus. First would be introduction. If I open my operating system syllabus, the first unit is introduction and process management, right? So let me create the topic. Next is deadlocks. Then is the memory management, so on and so forth. So now you can reorder as well just by drag and drop. So you can even rename it or delete it. This you can copy this link and send it to students. can move up and down, right? So these things are there. Now if I want to give an assignment for the first unit, I'll just click on this create, hit on assignments, write different types of operating system, right? Then instructions would be optional, but you can in detail give what all you need to explain in this assignment. Also you can add any document from the Google Drive as well, or from your local computer, or any link that you want to provide, or even you can upload a YouTube video. If you just click on create, you can also see you can create a document on the fly. You can even create slides. Slides are nothing but your the PowerPoint presentations. Sheets are nothing but your Microsoft Excel kind of thing, drawings and forms. So let me click on this docs. So it is creating a document and it will open it. I can just mention assignment should cover below topics: first generation Windows OS, DOS, Unix, Linux, etc. Like you can give in more details about the assignment that you are giving. You can give a name for this and then you can just close it. If you refresh it, you could see here there is a assignment, but it is in a draft, right? If I click on this edit, it will reopen that. Then here you can assign it to all students, or you can select particular students and then assign whatever the marks that you want to allocate for this, probably 20 marks or so, or 100 as you feel it's fit for. Then due date, you can give the due date by when they should submit. Even time is an optional thing. You can give the time also. And this assignment is for what? This is for in the introduction unit, right? So I can select the introduction, and rubric is nothing but the criteria through which you will be evaluating this assignment. I can assign now to all the students, or I can schedule it saying that this should be assigned to students on particular day and time, and I can save it as a draft as well. If I save it as a draft, this will be, as we have seen earlier, it will be here, right, as a draft. So I can edit it, and if I assign it, the students will be able to see this assignment in their streams immediately. So if I click on assign, you could see that this assignment will be posted not only in the assignment tab, it will be also posted in the stream also. See, students can click on this and they can see the question and the assignment, and for more details they can even go to this classwork, and if they click on this, they will be finding the assignment in detail. They click, they will be able to open and check. So